Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add Drive to Steam. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a drive to Steam typically involves specifying a new location on your PC where you want to store your Steam games. Here's a general guide on how to add a drive to Steam. Firstly, launch the Steam client on your PC. Click on the Steam in the top left corner of the Steam client. Then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on Storage tab on the left. Click on the drop-down menu, then choose a drive. In my case, I'm utilizing the same drive since I don't have a new one, but the procedure remains identical for adding a new location for your Steam games. Choose a drive where you want to create the new Steam library folder. Click New Folder to create a new folder on the selected drive to store your games. Highlight the newly created folder and you can rename it. Unclick Select Folder. Close the Settings window. When installing or moving games, you can now choose the new library location during the installation process. This way, you can add a new drive or location to Steam and either install new games or move existing ones to the newly added drive. Always ensure you have sufficient space on the selected drive for your games. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.